Hello kids! Today we are drawing cute bananas and then we are going to color them beautifully. First, we are drawing the stem of the banana. Then we draw the banana in front. And we draw the middle banana. Once we add the part in the back, our first banana is complete. Now let's practice a little more. Let's draw another banana the same way on the right. First, we draw the stem. Then we make the banana in front and we draw the middle banana too. Once we add the part in the back, our second banana is complete too. Let's draw one more banana so our hands get used to it. First, the stem, then the front banana, and then the middle one. Now, let's draw 3 more bananas at the bottom the same way. Let's keep practicing and let our bananas multiply. Remember kids, the more we practice, the easier it gets to draw any fruit or any picture. If you want to color a ready-made picture, you can ask your mom or dad, "Can you print a banana picture for me? I want to color it." Now, let's trace over the thin banana lines with a thick marker. That way, the colors will not go outside the lines, and coloring will be easier. By the way, kids, pictures with bold lines are much easier to color, and they look really nice. Now, let's start coloring the bananas. Let's see which colors will make them look beautiful. Now, let's count our bananas. The first banana. The second banana. The third banana. The fourth banana. The fifth banana. And the sixth banana. Wonderful, we have exactly 6 bananas. Okay kids, now let's grab our coloring pencils and start coloring our bananas. We will use 3 different colors for each banana. That will make our bananas colorful and much more fun. Look, kids, we will use 3 pencils like this for each banana. We will color them with different colors and make them look beautiful. Now, let's line up our pencils on the side. That way, we can choose our colors easily while we color. If you are ready, let the coloring begin. Let's make our bananas colorful. First, let's take our green pencil and color the stems of our bananas nicely. The tip of the pencil is thick and it looks really nice. This coloring is going to be great. Kids, do you know your colors? Then, while I color, you say the name of the color, okay? What is the name of this color? Come on, say it! Yes, this color is green. We colored the banana stems green and they look great. Now, we are going to color our bananas with 3 different colors. Let's see which colors look best on them. Yes, tell me the name of this color. What color is it? You got it. Great job. Keep going. You are learning the colors so well. Do you know this one too? Yes, this color is blue. You look like you might know all the colors. Come on, say the next color too. You got it. This one is orange. Now, it is time for the second banana. Let's color it with 3 beautiful colors too. I could not hear you. Say it a little louder. What color is this? I think you know all the colors. Come on, let's find the next color together. Say this one too. What is the name of this color? That is right. This color is pink. I bet you cannot guess this one. You guessed this one too. Great job. Yes, this color is purple. This color is hiding a little. Let's find its name. This color is orange. Little detectives are on the case. What color could this be? This color is green. Does anyone know this color? I am listening. This color is blue. This color looks very familiar. What do you think its name is? This color is green. Come on, say the name of this color loudly, not in a whisper. This color is dark blue. This color looks great on our banana. What was its name? This color is pink. Now, it is time for the color guessing game. What color is this? This color is brown. If you know this color, our bananas will be so happy. This color is blue. Open your eyes and look carefully. What is the name of this color? This color is yellow. Now, we are going to ask about the three colors on the last banana. Are you ready? What is the first color? This color is dark blue. Great! Now tell me the second color too. This color is pink. You are doing great. Now, what is the third and final color? This color is orange. Now, let's write numbers on our bananas. That way, we can recognize each banana and count them more easily. Banana number 1. Banana number 2. Banana number 3. Banana number 4. Banana number 5. Banana number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is time to say goodbye. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe, and watch our other fun videos. See you in the next drawing. Bye-bye.